Hey guys, back at it again with another video. So today we are doing a twist out on my natural 4C, 4B-ish, type hair. So what we're going to do, we're going to start off with some wet hair. So just go ahead and damp it up. Then we're going to put into 4 sections. These clips, you can really get them from any beauty supply. They're pretty cheap. I put my hair in sections because it's just so much easier to detangle and to section off and comb through my hair. So here we are gonna make the sections even smaller just so we can work our way through them. So here's my hair, it's just wet, no product, and we are about to add more product in it. So here's the aloe vera plant. It's about $2 at your local store. What I basically do is just cut it up into sections, and then I put a knife in the middle to get the gel to squeeze out easier. So that's what the gel looks like. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the gel on the roots of my head, and I'm going to just continue to put it on the roots and pull it down throughout my entire head. So once I pull it through my hair, I'm going to start to finger detangle my hair. This just makes it so much easier. So I don't have to like comb through my hair. I just finger detangle with the aloe vera gel. And then here is Bella Curl's curling cream. I use this religiously. Like, it really adds texture to my hair. It makes it very easy to work through, and it smells good too, period, So next I'm going to use my black castor oil leave-in condition. So I just washed my hair, so it's just like good to add leave-in conditioner to your hair for extra moisture. And then here I'm just combing it through, so it's so easy, it just glides right through. So this is my first twist. So basically what I do is I take a small section and then I separate that into 2 smaller sections. So then you can either go left over right, right over left, but I wrap one around the other and just continue to wrap it, continue to wrap it, continue to wrap it. So if you're left-handed or right-handed, it really depends on what you want to do. But I just wrap it, each strand over each other, and just keep doing that until I get to the end of my twist. And once I get to the end of my twist, I pull the hair around my finger and just curl it. So that is what my first twist looks like. And here I'm going to continue that process throughout my whole entire head. So just keep on watching and let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. So here I am all finished up. My whole head is twisted. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to oil my scalp. In my oil, I use organic cold pressed castor oil. You can get that from a hair store, supplement store. I got it from a local health store. I also have tea tree oil and extra virgin olive oil and hemp oil, and it's just a mixture of them. So I just use this in my daily regimen. I put it on my scalp and I put it on my hair, and just really emphasize on the ends, because those are like the most important part of your head. So if you like this video, like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, Ciara.Celeste. Follow me on Twitter, Ciara.Celeste 2. And make sure you subscribe, period.